Good day. Do you know what is this? That will be our lesson for today. This is a calendar. It is a table of days for the whole year. It shows you the 12 months of the year, starting with January. J, J, A, A, N, N, Wa, Wa, Ri, Ri. This is the year 2024, and this is the month of January. These are the 7 days of the week, starting with Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. After January is February. For this year, the last day of February is on the 29th because 2024 is a leap year. If it is not a leap year, the last day of the month is 28. B, R, R, Wa, Wa, Ri, Ri. February, February. This is the third month of the year. March. A, R, S. March. March. This is the month of April, and the first day of the month is Monday, whereas the last day falls on a Tuesday. A, A, P, P, R, R, E, E, L, L. April, April. This is the 5th month, May. The first day of the month falls on a Wednesday. In May, we have 31 days. May. A, E. May. May. June is the 6th month, and the last day falls on a Sunday. J, A, A. June, June. The 7th month is July. J, J, A, A, L, L, Yi, Yi. July, July, July. This is the month of August. This is the 8th month of the year. Can you tell me the day of the week when the 1st of August fall? The 1st of August falls on a Thursday. A, K, K. A, S, S, T, T. August, August. This is the 9th month of the year, September. There are 30 days in September. A, P, T, A, M, B, A, R. September. September. This is the 10th month of the year, October. 31st day falls on a Thursday. How about the 5th day of October? What day of the week is it? This is the 5th day, and it falls on a Saturday. October. O, K, K, T, T, O, P, B, A, R, R. October. October. Ok, To, Ber. October. This is November, the 11th month of the year. November has a total of 30 days, and the 30th day falls on a Saturday. November. O, V, A, B, B, A, No, Vem, Ber. November. November. This is December, the 12th month of the year. This is our last month of the year. This is the month where we celebrate Christmas Day on the 25th. What day of the week will Christmas be? For this year, 2024, Christmas Day will be celebrated on a Wednesday. December. D, D, A, S, S, A, B, B, A, D, Sem, Ber. December. December. Now, grab the latest copy of a calendar and find out what day of the week are you going to celebrate your birthday. Happy birthday, Lebby! Walang kulelat sa math. Walang kulelat sa math. A campaign on numeracy brought to you by I Volunteer for Filipino Children. Walang kulelat sa math.